We'll now check in on today's COVID numbers. Nevada reporting more than 1,200 new cases and 10 deaths in its daily report. The high numbers are similar to the large case loads reported back in July. The positivity rate, 11.7%. Hospitalizations up by 44 today. Clark County does remain in the red on the county criteria tracker with 769 new cases and 6 new deaths reported. The recovery rate has gone down slightly since last week, but still relatively high there at nearly 90%. The U.S. set another record for coronavirus cases, more than 100,000 in a single day. And for the second day in a row, more than 1,000 deaths were reported Wednesday. New infections are increasing in nearly every state, with hospitals in some areas reaching a breaking point. Here's ELISE Preston with more from New York City.
Coronavirus cases in El Paso, Texas are skyrocketing. One health official says hospitals are near a breaking point, with more than 1,000 COVID-19 hospitalizations reported Wednesday.
It's just important for this community to understand that what we're doing is failing.
The state has sent nurses and medical beds to El Paso, and the convention center has become a field hospital. New infections are increasing in nearly every state, and more than 1,000 deaths were reported Wednesday for the second straight day. Dr. William SCHAFFNER is an infectious diseases doctor at Vanderbilt University Medical Center.
We can reverse the trend if we wear masks, observe social distancing, and avoid large group events. Do good hand hygiene.
Here in New York, the city is again using its hyper-local approach, sending new testing, contact tracing, and outreach into affected neighborhoods.
That approach worked, and that approach is what we will employ anytime we see a problem going forward.
Alabama Governor Kay Ivey extended her statewide mask mandate through December 11th.
Sooner rather than later, it's going to be up to each of us to do the right thing.
Ohio nurse practitioner TAMU Brown was diagnosed this week.
If I'm being honest, I got a little comfortable. You know, we're 8 months in, and I think that I was kind of a little more comfortable visiting people, doing things.
Experts say it's important to fight pandemic fatigue, especially heading into the winter months. ELISE Preston, CBS News, New York.